Hi students, now exercise 4. First one, construct quadrilaterals with the measurements given below. First one, quadrilateral HELP with HE equal to 6 centimeters, EL equal to 4.5 centimeters, angle H 60 degrees, angle E 105, angle P equal to 120 degrees. See this construction. So first one, HE, draw a line segment HE 6 centimeters. See here 6 centimeters. 6 centimeters. HE 6 centimeters. Next, angle H 60 degrees. So without using protractor 60 degrees, see here, more than half or below half take, no problem, below half or more than half. So below half take, draw half of the circle. So like this, half of the circle. This is 0 degrees. From here to draw one arc. This is 60 degrees. Again here to one arc we get 120 degrees. But no need, here only 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees without using protractor. 60 degrees. Draw like this. This is 60 degrees. Again here 105 degrees. 105. Same like more than half or below half. Without using protractor 105 degrees. Keep here half of the circle. Half of the circle. Here this is exactly 0 degrees. Here to one arc 60 degrees. Here to another arc this is 120 degrees. So 60 degrees. Here 60 degrees to one arc. Again 120 to another arc. 120. Here 60 to one arc, 120 to another arc. This is exactly 90 degrees. Here exactly 90 degrees. But here 105 degrees. Here too. So just draw with dotted lines. So this is 90 degrees. From 90 to 120 between angle. 90 to one arc, 120 to another arc. So 90, 120 between. Here again see here, below half of the measurement draw one half circle. Here 0 degrees to draw 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees. Here to another arc. This is 120. This arc 120, 60 to one arc, 120 to another arc. This is exactly 90 degrees. But just to we point out the measure just to 90 degrees. Why? Because here 90 to 120. 90 to 120 between angle 105. So that's why we drawn here just to 90 degrees. So no need to take that. So simply this point is 90 degrees. Here to one arc, 120 to another arc. 90 to one arc, 120 to another arc. This exactly 105. So 90, 120 between angle is 105. This is 105 degrees. Again here EL 4.5 centimeters. Take with scale measurement 4.5 centimeters. With E as center 4.5. This is L. This point is L. This total length 4.5 centimeters. 4.5 centimeters. Again here to 75 degrees with L point to again below half. Here observe angle P 120, but here we cannot conclude that 120 degrees, but here observe 60 120, like here 105. We know that sum of four angles of a quadrilateral we get 360, like here 70 degrees, 75 degrees. Here draw with 75 degrees, means without using protractor. Here see below half of the angle. So take like this half of the circle. From here to this is 0 degrees, 0 to one arc. Again here to another arc. This is 60 120. 60 120 and again 90. Here to one arc. Again here to another arc. This is 90. From 60 to 90 between angle 75 degrees, means this is 90 degrees. Just we want half of the circle measure. This is 90 degrees. This is 60 degrees. From 60 to one arc. 90 to another arc. 60 to one arc. 90 to another arc. From here 62. Now this is 75 degrees from here to. Again see here 4.5 centimeters. This is one of the arc. This point is called L. Here too. This is L. L2 below half of the angle, otherwise more than half also take. Here draw half of the circle. This is half of the circle. This is 0 degrees. From here to one arc. Here to one arc. Again here to another arc. Or this side also draw, no problem. Here to one arc. This is 60 degrees. Here to another arc. 120 degrees. Again here to one arc. Here to another arc. 90 degrees. Exactly 90 degrees. 90 degrees means here 90 degrees. Here to one arc. This is one arc. Here to one arc. Again here 60 to another arc. So this is 75 degrees. Exactly 75 degrees. This is 75 degrees. So then it is 120 degrees. This point is P. Again listen. Here HE 6 centimeters. So without using protractor, below half of the measure or more than half. Take half of the circle. Below half. Draw like this half of the circle. Here this is 0 degrees. From 0 to 1 arc. This is exactly 60 degrees. So like that, here to 60 degrees. Again here to 120. 120 to 60 between angle is 90 degrees. Like that, if you want any angle, so do like that process. This is 60 degrees means here up to here 60 degrees. This is draw one straight line. Exactly 60 degrees. This side 105. 105. Same like take a half of the circle. Here 0 degrees. 0 to 1 arc. Again here to another arc. This is 60 degrees. This is 120 degrees. 60 to 1 arc. 120 to another arc. That is 90 degrees. means exactly here intersecting 90 degrees. In this 90 to one arc, 120 to another arc, 90, 120. Between angle is 105. This is 105. Again here 4.5 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. So in that, here intersecting, this point name is L. From L to again draw like that without using protractor. Otherwise use protractor also keep. This is 75 degrees, exactly 75 degrees. This is, here see, 75 degrees. Keep 75 degrees. Means we know that sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360. Like this is exactly 120 degrees. Steps of constructions. Draw a line segment HE equal to 6 centimeters. Angle H equal to 60 degrees. Next, angle E equal to 105 degrees. Another point, with E as center, 4.5 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. So after next point, angle L equal to 75 degrees. So we know that sum of 4 angles of a quadrilateral 360. Angle P given 120. 120, 60, 105. So total remain angle 75 degrees. So here draw with 75 degrees. Angle L equal to 75 degrees. Next, join LP. Join LP. This is the required quadrilateral HELP.